Welcome to the Easyjobs tutorial. Today, you will learn how to get started with the Easyjobs white label plan and create your own branded AI-powered recruitment system. If you are new to Easyjobs, first go to the Easyjobs homepage. From there, head over to the pricing section. Select the white label tab, choose the package that suits your needs, and click on Get Started. You will be redirected to the login page. Select Sign Up, enter your details, and confirm your account. On the next screen, review the package you have chosen. If you have a coupon, apply it here. Then select a payment method and continue to checkout. Add your payment details to complete the subscription. Next, provide your company information, review the terms and policy, and click Get Started. This will launch your journey with the Easyjobs white label plan as a new user. In the dashboard, you will now get verification messages to verify your company URL and company email. Check your registered email inbox to complete the verifications. If you are already using Easyjobs and want to upgrade to the white label plan, log into your dashboard with your existing account. Click on the Profile drop-down in the corner and select My Account. Switch to the Subscription tab. From here, select a white label plan and click on the Upgrade button. Enter your payment details at checkout and confirm the subscription. Once completed, go back to the subscription page. You will see that your Easyjobs white label package is now active. That is how you can easily get started with the Easyjobs white label plan. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Easyjobs tutorials.